What is up, guys? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to the Knowledge Institute YouTube channel. My name is Mudassar, and today in this video tutorial, I am going to teach you how to speed up your laptop or your computer which have Windows 7, Windows 8, or even Windows 10 or 11. It is very advanced level, easiest method of doing this. So please follow up the tutorial. So first of all, first method in the first method, just click on the Windows button from the keyboard along with R. After doing this, just search here, just type here temp, TEMP, temp. Press and enter, click on continue. So here are a lot of unusable nonsense junk files. So just select all these files. You can select like this, or maybe you may press Control plus A. Okay, Control along with A button. After doing this, you have to delete this. Now here are two methods of deleting the files. Just right click on it and delete it. Okay, skip the files which are unable to which are not deletable, or which are we are not able to delete. So just skip these files. So here you can see when we go to recycle bin, these files are moved into the recycle bin now. Okay, so just press Control A and then press delete button. So these files will be deleted. Okay, now again press Windows button along with R. Type in here percentage temp percentage. Okay, click on OK. So here are also junk files. Just delete these. Control plus A. Okay, all the files are selected. Now press Shift button from your keyboard and shift with delete button. Okay, a shift button with a delete button. So here you can see, are you sure you want to permanently delete? Okay, by pressing shift along with delete button, these files will be permanently deleted. Okay, which means these files will never go to recycle bin. Okay, so we don't need to go to recycle bin and delete all these manually. Just skip the files which are not being deleted. Okay, then again press Windows button plus R and here type prefetch, prefetch. Okay, continue. Okay, so these are also waste junk files. Select all these files, shift delete, shift button along with delete. Okay, press the both at once. After doing this, just press yes. Okay, so these files also have been deleted. Again, come to the home screen and Windows plus R. Type in here msconfig. After doing this, just go to maybe here services. You can check all the services which are active right now. Then you can check all these services. Okay, now in the startup here you can see which services are going to run along with the startup of your laptop. Okay, you can just disable the unused software or services from here. Okay, okay, so after doing this, just click on apply and okay. Okay, so I'm not doing this because I already done this. So after applying this trick, you can restart your computer, and now your computers, your laptops, your Windows speed will be increased along 10 times or 5 times. It will must be increased. So thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.